Hi, my name is Kesley Fuller and I'm Group 2, so I'll be talking about why news isn't objective. So a couple reasons that were just stated in our book of why the news isn't objective is one, because reporters are on deadlines. They have to get the story by a certain time, and they often do that reporting that night, and maybe some new information came out that morning that couldn't be in the article that they wrote. And because of these deadlines, they just have to get things done quick, and they have to get the information that they can. In fact, a quote that I found just says, "Opinion can't be extracted from reporting. The only question is whether it's hidden." And this was on a New York Times article. It's just really hard for a journalist to be able to extract their opinion from an article. We're people, and opinions are just, they are natural.